again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're working on the 2.5 swap NC. I have had these spiked hood vents for forever. They have been in my mind and I reached out to Spiked as soon as I bought the NC and I was like, please, let's make some hood vents, because if you guys remember, I ran these on my S2000 and I absolutely love them. So of course I wanted them for the NC, and luckily Spiked was so nice and they made them. So we are gonna run them not only on the 2.5 car, but we are also gonna run a set on the K-swap car. But we're starting off with installing them on the 2.5 car, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so according to directions, you are gonna measure 36 inches from the top of the hood to here, and then 7.5 inches in. So this will be where I place the hood vent stencil, and I did the same thing on the other side. I double checked both measurements, so this is exactly where they need to go. So I lined this corner up of the stencil to my mark of where they need to start. I'm just putting it here. I'm gonna put some tape around this to prevent scratching, because I don't have a ton of experience cutting into my car, so I'm gonna do what I can. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing now on this side. This is where I need to line it up. And then I will go ahead and place it down. This looks good. This should be even in theory. I've double checked my measurements. However, I have anxiety, so yeah, I think this is good. Here's my stencils. I've now cut my hole to where the vent fits, laying the vent in here, and now I'm going to drill out the holes for all the rivets. Okay, so I have finished up all the rivets and the hood vents are officially in. Let's take a look. I think they look really good. I'm very excited about it. I've only had these sitting for like a year. Did I make a mistake? Yes. Was this a learning lesson? Yes. I'm very proud of it though. This rivet had an issue, so I'm gonna have to figure out drilling this one out. But other than that, oh, my other mistake, yeah, I just went a little too far right there. But that's okay, I'm human, mistakes happen. This is like my first time really cutting into my cars, so I'm not upset if this is the only mistake. We'll just, wow, it's really great. You can hardly even tell. So, look at that. Very proud. Alright, that is a wrap for the hood vents on the NC. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.